Nisai Global School is the first fully interactive online British school that delivers quality assured home education for students aged 7 to 18 globally. Nisai Global School offers a complete pathway of education online. We provide everything that you would expect to find in a traditional school, from subject lessons, homework, and end-of-term reports. Beyond the classroom, we foster a vibrant school spirit through house teams and clubs, ensuring students benefit from a supportive community and regular socialisation with their global peers. Being recognised as an international school, the curriculum of Nisai Global School is adapted from Nisai Virtual Academy, with academic programmes from UK curriculum, leading to globally recognised international GCSE and ESSA levels qualifications.